Okay, it's Tuesday, December 12th. Just following up on Amazon here. I'm looking at a 1 minute chart currently. It's about midday, and I just exited the position at a small loss as it popped up here to 146.75. If we look at the 15-minute chart, I discussed earlier how I bought an aggressive attempt up here to break out on the 5 minute bar. If we go to the first 5 minute bar of the day, it went up strong. It started to follow through. I bought it here at the upper blue line, and then it immediately consolidated. And I discussed how I watched it, and you had an inside bar forming here, and then the real buy was on bar number 3 to start working towards those highs again. It's just been grinding up all morning inside this first bar, so it still might certainly reach that target. And you could have broken even or taken a gain. If you got in down here, you can set up a no-risk trade at this point towards that target. For me, just given the fact it's the end of the morning, I decided to exit the trade. So I bought the stock early, very aggressively at 147, and I exited 146.75, just 25 cents, a small loss. And that's fine. You have the after the hammer bar yesterday, you do have the 2-up day today, and I was excited about the potential for it to kind of work up towards those highs after a pretty strong opening first bar, but instead it just consolidated. And now, since the morning's gone on, it just went up here. I decided to kind of exit here with a small loss, so that's fine. I'll continue to monitoring it. It's still on the weekly chart, just kind of consolidates, just an inside week. So that's why it's a little tricky and choppy in here, even though the overall trend's to the upside. Again, we'll see how this day ends. Maybe it's just a delayed, move back to the upside. And if so, that's fine. It's just one of those things where it didn't get going, right out of the gates like my good trades normally do. And instead, it just consolidated, and it's working back up to that kind of big selling tail up here during the day. So anyway, very small loss. Continue to monitor it. We'll see if other opportunities unfold in the stock in the days and weeks ahead.